Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to create a small robot who can handle your customer support, and also he can handle your email reply, your SMS reply, and even also you can handle your Instagram reply, and also you can handle Facebook Messenger reply as well. So we are creating a complete chatbot that can be help you as a customer support. If you have your own e-commerce store, simply go and place this just a small code and it will be work for your store as a customer support. And also if you have a local service site and you're losing your leads and you're not getting leads, what's the this chatbot can do, it can be book appointments for you, and even also suggest to client how to buy a products and which product is best for his services. And even he give all suggestions regarding your stores, your local services, your small services or your big services. You have any business, it will be very helpful for you, and it's super easy to create. You have to just basic knowledge and you can create it, and it will book appointment and even submit assignments, and even it can be suggest some order thinking as well. So let me dive in backend without wasting time, and I will show you how it works. And by the way, for this purpose I am going to use the tools that called GoHighLevel, and that's the white label version of GoHighLevel. So what you need to do, you need to do if you want to check live chatbot example, simply go to leadsflex.com, and here is a chatbot. You can simply talk with chatbot, and you will ask for other things as well. It will be automatically reply you. Believe me, behind this there is no human. That's a chatbot and it's working like a human, and you will get all types of SMS reply response using this chatbot. It's a super easy to develop, and for this I'm using GoHighLevel on a backend, but that's a white label version. You can also use this GoHighLevel. It's a cheap and all-in-one platform where you can manage your websites, your opportunities, your contacts, your payments. That's a AI agent as well that can be used for a call purpose and automations, websites, membership websites. If you have membership website, then you can go with this one. Media storage like WordPress have the main thing is that they have reputation management system, reporting system, and they have their own app as well. So without wasting time, let me dive into main thing what we are going to do here. So I just go to the setting, and by the way, if you can go with my affiliate link, the affiliate link in description box below. So I will do these things for you free of cost, even I can develop this complete system for you with white label as well. The affiliate link in description box below. So I just go to simply here, and here you can see conversational AI. I just simply click on it, and here we have complete setup for bot. And right now we don't have any bot here, and we have one but it's not live yet. So what we need to go, we will simply just go here, create, and what is the bot purpose, and why for what you are going to use. So for example, you have journal for if you have store, and for you want to use for journal FAQs questions regarding store, regarding product, so you can go with this one. And if you have appointment booking system, like you are a salon owner, you are a gym owner, you want to appointment a book, so recommended is go with this one. Either if you don't have these things, that is simply go with the scratch. So right now we are going with the scratch, and that's the 4 step we need to perform. The one is the board setting, board training, board goals, and dashboard. So the first thing is that we will put the board name, and we will say that Jimmy is board name. There is a 3 options. There is a choose board operating mode, choose one. Okay, you can choose off, turn off conversation AI and suggestions, autopilots. So normally we are use autopilot because we will feed data and it will be automatically work on your all things. And the next step is that for what you're going to use, as I mentioned, you can use for Instagram, you can use for Facebook, you can use for SMS, you can use for live chat, and you can use for WhatsApp as well. So for now I'm going to use for live chat, and also I'm going to use for live widgets. So these are the main thing that I'm going to use for it. And here is a tutorial as well. If you have more, if you want to learn about more detail, you can go here, but I don't think so you need it. And you can put your business name here. So in my case I have Leadsflex from my agency. We are providing services to all GoHighLevel agencies. So if you want any agency, just simply go and book your free consultation. And after that it says autopilots mode. What's happening? Reply in a 2 second. That's a limit I set. That's I think a good time, but you can make it 1 second as well. The maximum message board can be sent in a conversation. We will increase it. We will make it 15. And when you automatically you reply as a human, what bot need to do? Need to go through the sleep mode, or bot also need to reply? So it's up to you, but normally we will open it. When you reply your own, then bot will be stop replying them. I'm just making it off. And that's the pricing plan. What they are GoHighLevel going to charge you? They charge you 0.0 cent per message or per reply. And I just save it. And right now we are going to the next step. In the next step, what we are going to do here, we will train bot on our website, on our services, on our things, whatever we have to train our bot here. So right now in this case I am going to train on my website, but you can change it according to your requirement. What else your requirement is, you can change it on your business, on your specific niche. So for example, if you want to bring all pages of the websites, so you need to go to here all URL with the path. Otherwise, if you want us just exact this home page or in the specific URL, go with the exact URL. And if you want to see all URL in the entire domain, you can just simply select it and you can got the data. And here is the data that's bot it already trained on my articles. And what I can do, I can simply just utilize it. And you can also share your WhatsApp website link here. And another case is that you can write your all description, all data on your Google Sheet, and you can just copy paste Google Sheet link here, and it will be automatically trained on your data as well. So in the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to add some customization, our quick responses that normally customer says or customer message. For example, we will say what is about services we offer, what services we offer in a leads flex. I just mentioned here. What is snapshot, because we are providing snapshots, so we have just mentioned these things here. So you can write your all FAQs, and you can also mention here. And another option I can show you, go to just your ChatGPT and provide ChatGPT to your website link and ask ChatGPT to write FAQs for chatbot for maximum questions for customer ask on the base of this website, and they can write a chat and all messages for you, and it will be submit you to directly. And another thing is that I just go to the bot goal. That's the most important part. What's the bot goal and what we are going to do? That's the first part is a personality. Personality means what is the bot purpose and what is the bot is. So for example, in my case, the bot is a leads flex and he is representing himself as a leads flex. So you can put your business name here, and in my case that's a short custom value. But in my case, I just not going to put here. I will say leads flex is a board name. You are a board for leads flex and task to assistant customer. Your primary goal is to build trust, help and customer to reference our wiki. You see, it's a wiki. You can update with your data, and you cannot help. You cannot help with appointment booking and appointment cancellation, reschedule. In this case it says you don't need to help, but in our case we will say you will help with them. And also that's the intent. Goal is assistant to customer with the queries, because we have select a board that not for a specific customer support or not for a book appointment, so that's why data is accordingly. So you can update it according to your requirement. And here is a additional information that board needed to reply or say answer to your audience. Conversation guide: maintain a casual, powerful, concise tone. And okay, these are some suggestions and examples. Hello, how I can assist you today? You need to avoid this. Use hey there, what's your mind today? I apologize for the confusion, and sorry that's don't make sense. So you can use something like this, and you can also add some FAQs and something here, and that's the word limit that you can focus on it, and you can just pause your bot. And the main thing is that bot purpose. What is the bot purpose and what's happening on backend? So right now what we can say, we are just appointment booking, and we need to select calendar here, which calendar we are going to use for this boat appointment. That can be used for boat appointment. In my case, I'm going to use, I have leads flex. Okay, let's use this one. And don't book appointment, only send the booking link. Yes, please now pause boat response after booking. No, we are not going to check anything here. Transfer imply post appointment booking. No, we are not going to check here. I just simply select the calendar and boat is selected, and here we can test the boat, and we will say that here what is leads flex. We are just testing boat, and you see boat is leads flex is a platform designed to help businesses manage their, yeah, that's what we are offering. And we can say, can you help me to book appointment? Yeah, spell is wrong, but it will make accurate. Sure, I can help you with that. We don't want to book for, I have earlier availability. Yeah, it says that we have availability in our calendar. That's availability. Yeah, sure, go ahead and book it or share link. Yeah, because in this calendar we don't have availability, so that's why it says you don't have any availability on this time. So that's how we can train bot, and we can put our information here as well, so they will check availability and book appointment accordingly. And let's save it and go to the dashboard back, and here we have all data about the boats. You can check your all data, queries, reply, what they says customer. You have all data here. So that's how you can create a chatbot, and you can use it for multiple things, like for SMS, emails, for your Instagram, for your messengers, and for your live chat, and for your WhatsApp as well. So if you need any services, just simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation, and also you can test chatbot here as well. And also if there is anything related GoHighLevel you need, just simply go to leadsflex, book free consultation. And another option is that you can just buy with my affiliate link GoHighLevel, and I will jump with you on a call, and I will guide you step by step how to do all these things. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also please subscribe, share, and comments on the video.